In this lesson, we will learn about numbers. Knowing how to say numbers in any language is important. Once you know the basics, you can apply them in sentences. So let's get started. 0 is 0 or 0. 0. 0. 1 is 1. 1. 2. 2. 2. 3. 3. 3. 4. 4 or 4. 4. 4. 5. 5. 5. 6. 6. 6. 7. 7 or 7. 7. 7. 8. 8. 8. 9. 9 or 9. 9. 9. 10. 10. 10. From 11 onwards, we can form numbers logically. For example, 11 is 11. 11. Number 12, 12. 12. 13, 13. 13. 14, 14. 14. 15, 15. 15. And so on. Number 20 is 20. 20. 21, 21. 21. 22, 22. 22. 23, 23. 23. And so on. Number 30, 30. 30. 31, 31. 31. And so on. Numbers up to 100 follow the same pattern. 100 is 100. 100. 101, 101. 101. And so on. 110, 110. 110. 111, 111. 111. And the same pattern follows until 199. 200 is 200. 200. 300, 300. 300. 400, 400. 400. 500, 500. 500. 600, 600. 600. 700, 700. 700. 800, 800. 800. 900, 900. 900. 1000 is 1000. 1000. So 1,234 is going to be sen-nihyaku-sanjuu-yon. sen-nihyaku-sanjuu-yon. 2,000 is nisen. 3,000 is sanzen. 4,000 is yonsen. 5,000 gosen. 6,000 rokusen. 7,000 is nanasen. 8,000 is hassen. 9,000 is kyusen. 10,000 is ichiman. Unlike the system used around the world of putting 3 zeros and a comma, in Japanese writing, the comma comes after 4 zeros. For example, 10,000 is written like this, and 100,000 is written like this. The word for 100,000 is juuman. 1 million is 100,000. So let's try 1,567,000. That is 100,567. 100,567. And if it is 1,234,567, then it changes to 123,4567. 123,4567. In this example, 100,000 splits into 2 parts. 100 is used at the beginning, and man is placed between the 10,000th and the 1,000th position.